Welcome to Brahma Writings. Today we will discuss something about data cleansing and data analysis using Python. Okay. Nowadays we are all capturing tons of data using many applications, and we are storing the data effectively using different databases and different flavors of data warehouses. So it is very much important to learn about data cleansing and data analysis. Okay. So let's understand how we are going to do these two operations using Python. Okay, so this is my own article. So whenever you get time, you can go through my articles. Actually, I'm writing many articles on Snowflake, data analytics, Power BI, and SAP business objects. Whenever you get time, you can go through. So I really like doing something on practical actually. So I just wrote one article, so I thought of creating one video in order to execute this code actually. So let's see. Now I'm using Kaggle. Okay. Here in Kaggle we have multiple options to import the data. If you have your own CSV, you can import it, or you can get the internal data sets actually. Whenever you open Kaggle, you can take some internal data sets, right? So these are the two options. Now I uploaded my own CSV file, that is grocery Australia grocery store CSV file. So here I'm writing Python code like this in order to understand what exactly is there in that CSV file. So let's debug the code actually. Okay, line by line. This is Python code. Import NumPy as NP. So here, whenever you want to deal with any data or any data cleaning or data integration with other libraries or data analysis, you must go with NumPy and Pandas. Let me tell you why. NumPy is something, it's a library for scientific computing in Python. We use whenever we deal with large data sets and making them faster than traditional Python lists actually. So now Pandas, it is also one of the library. We use it for data cleaning, handling, and analysis. Okay, so here I'm taking them as alias. Import NumPy library as NP. NP is the alias. Import Pandas library as PD. PD is the alias. Okay, now I'm creating one data frame actually. Okay, I'm creating one data frame. Data frame is nothing but it's a kind of table or it's a combination, it's a collection of rows and columns on here where we store the data. Okay, so I'm defining one data frame here, and so from this PD, using this library Pandas library, I'm trying to read the CSV from this path. Okay, this is the CSV file that I'm going to read using data frame. Okay, now what I want to do is display the dimensions of datasets. In order to display the dimensions of the datasets, that you know, right, the dataset name is this one, Australia grocery 2022 September CSV. Okay, so if you want to see the dimensions, okay, you need to do like this: print from data frame dot shape. Okay, and if you want to see something about dataset, you can do like this: data frame dot info. And if you want to list first 5 rows of the dataset, you can do like something like this: print data frame dot head. And if you want to list last 10 rows, you can do something like this: print d of that 10. So let me rerun all of them. Okay, so when I click here, so it is just started. So if you go down and see the result, see, now for the first one, I can check for the data columns. There are 22 columns. These are the column name. The first one is index, and it is having more than 4,88,640 records. Okay, the data type is integers 64. Okay, like this, there are many dimensions. And if you go down for the second one, okay, now we have checked this one, right? Dimensions we listed, and now if you look for this one, D of data frame dot info, here is the output. Okay, there are different data types, like there are 3 columns having float 64 data type and 5 columns having int 64 and objects having 14. Okay. Now, when it comes to memory usage, it is about 82 MB. And based on the query we executed, these are the different other information from this data set actually. Okay. So this is the very important basic data cleaning, data analysis commands for Python. Okay. Hope you got this. And this is the way we can do, and we can analyze any particular CSV file that we want to load to main target table. If it is better to check what is there, and it is better to check the information about the table actually. So this is a way that we can create one data frame and look for the data set info, first records, last records, and how many columns are there, and what are the different types of those columns. Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.